Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to enable two-step verification on Telegram app. Go to your phone menu, find the Telegram app and tap on it. Click on the left menu. Now go to Settings. Under Settings section, tap on Privacy and Security. Scroll down to Security section. Under Security section, tap on Two-Step Verification. Tap on Set Password. Enter a password and tap on Continue. Re-enter your password and tap on Continue. Enter a password hint and tap on Continue. Enter a recovery email and tap on Continue. Enter the verification code received on your email account and tap on Continue. That's it. Two-step verification is enabled on your Telegram account. This is how you can enable two-step verification on Telegram app. Thank you for watching.